Can't believe I got this entire meal ready in just 30 minutes, from pulao to tandoori chicken to steamed vegetables without using oil and very less water. आज बड़े दिनों बाद कुकिंग करने का मूड हुआ है और टाइम भी मिला है. I mean, after traveling so much, eating flight food, restaurant food, एक टाइम के बाद बस हो जाती है. So today, I want to make something healthy and tasty. Something very special for my family. क्या बनाऊं बस? Everyone says healthy खाना है तो no oil and no butter. But is it even possible? मतलब खाना चिपक जाता है, जल जाता है, ड्राई सा लगता है और बिल्कुल टेस्टी नहीं लगता. I asked my mom and mother-in-law about it और दोनों ने ही कहा ये सब कहने की बात है. I said that reminds me that I had ordered for AMC cookware range. अब इनका कहना है that you can prepare food without using oil or water. Sounds like a joke, right? But let's put this to test today. The star for today is not the dish but the utensils that we'll be using. कभी लगा नहीं कि बर्तन बदलकर we'll be making healthy food choices. So I can see this looks very fancy to me. इसकी lid के ऊपर है एक है Visuotherm and there's also an Audiotherm और ये बनाया गया है high quality food grade stainless steel से. AMC cookware can work on induction, cooking gas or even the mobile hot plate that is called Navigenio. Well, good thing is इस cookware range के साथ आती है एक manual along with some recipes. Can't believe it, but you can literally cook anything and everything. पर मुझे YouTube पर videos देखकर खाना बनाने की आदत है and good thing is that AMC India का अपना YouTube channel है और app भी है जहां आप देखकर खाना बना सकते हैं. And can't believe it, guys. You can literally make anything and everything, from chicken biryani to mung pulao, tandoori chicken to paneer tikka, cheese balls, cake, paratha, you name it, and they have a recipe for it. Listen, I'm more of a rice person, so मैं आज बनाने वाली हूँ mung pulao. Let's get started. Got my ingredients ready for mung pulao and as you can see मेरे पास यहाँ प्याज भी है and today I am going to fry onions without oil. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is how modern ज़माने का सीटी will ring. Let me do a long press and switch this off. Now I have 1 cup of rice along with 2 cups of water which I'm going to just mix. No mixing so far and this is really quick. Onions तो बहुत जल्दी fry हो गए. सारा मैंने साथ में ही डाल दिया. I've got some coconut also. Adding some haldi and namak to this. Finally the moment I was waiting for, to mix everything. Just one light mix, full MasterChef वाली feel आ रही है. Now that I have mixed all the ingredients, अब इसी pot को मैं एक pressure cooker बना दूंगी just by changing its lid. This is how it looks. So let's do this. Well, now that I have fixed the Audiotherm, I'm just going to put this on automatic and यहाँ पर I just have to press this twice and put this on soft. Well, now that I have put this on automatic, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. Once ready, this will automatically get switched off. ये तो बहुत easy है and I'm actually enjoying this that I'm tempted to make 2 more dishes. How about we make steamed vegetables and tandoori chicken? Let's get ready for that. Can't wait. Audiotherm can also be connected to the phone. I usually stand near the stove, constantly checking, but with AMC, I just need the Audiotherm to buzz
and I can even check it on my phone because Audiotherm easily tells the cooking time and allows to control temperature settings within the pot.
Only 10 seconds to go. I can see it on my app. बज गई सीटी. मॉडर्न जमाने की सीटी बहुत अच्छी बजती है. प्लस आई कुड सी कितना टाइम बचा है. इट्स रेडी. Time now to make steamed vegetables without water. And the trick here is to add vegetables with more moisture first. So the same Audiotherm can go on multiple lids. I can see the carrot sign here, and the good thing is that here you can also set a timer. So I'm going to put these steamed vegetables only for 5 minutes. There you have it. It's ready. Okay, now on to the dish I am most excited about. That is tandoori chicken. इसके thought से ही मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. I've got my chicken marinated here, and I have to heat this pot for just about 3 minutes. Put this on the roasting window. So let's do that. Okay, तो अब ये गर्म हो चुका है. Which means that now we can get ready to make our tandoori chicken. It's going to be hot, okay? So you've got to be careful with it, okay? Now, you know, amidst all of this, the most fascinating part for me is, of course, the Navigeno, which is the world's smallest mobile oven. Now, this looks like a hot plate, but it can instantly convert into an oven. Let me show you how. So the pot is quite hot. Oh, that rhymes, I didn't realize. But now I can put 2 pieces of chicken here, right here. Here the sizzle. And now the most interesting part, this hot plate called Navigeno will now be converted into an oven. All I have to do is place this upside down, put this on level 2 and leave this for 12 minutes. Ab pot to garam hai hi. What this hot plate or oven is doing is also giving heat from above, and that's how the grilling process has begun. And just so that I can keep a track of time, I am connecting my Audiotherm with my mobile phone, and I'm going to set the timer for about 12 minutes and leave it right here. Well, as much as I'm fascinated by this world's smallest mobile oven, मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये आप सारे pots या utensils एक cooking gas या induction पर भी use कर सकते हैं. There's absolutely no problem with that. While the tandoori chicken is getting ready, time for a grand reveal. I can't wait to see how the steamed vegetables and the pulao have turned out to be. Let's begin with the steamed vegetables first. Wow, the vegetables look so good. The fact कि हमने इसमें water नहीं add किया है, the nutrients stay intact. In fact, even the color of the vegetables looks absolutely fresh. I'm quite tempted to have this carrot. Let's see how this is. बहुत अच्छी तरह से ये बन चुके हैं. I can actually feel the freshness of the carrot. Let's see how the mung pulao has turned out to be. This smells so good. और ये जो चावल हैं बिल्कुल खिले खिले से बने हैं. आई कांट बिलीव इट दैट इसमें बिल्कुल भी घी या ऑयल नहीं गया है. हैविंग सेड दैट, अगर आप अपनी राइस में या किसी भी डिश में ऑयल या घी ऐड करना चाहते हैं, there is absolutely no problem to it. In fact, ghee is also considered to be good cholesterol. You can always add a spoon of it. But ये याद रखिएगा, 4 चम्मच की जगह पर आपका काम 1 ही चम्मच में हो जाएगा. ओह, ये भी बन गया है. Let's see how the chicken has turned out to be. I can't believe it. ये पूरी तरह से ready है without me having to use any kind of oil or ghee. In fact, chicken has extracted its own oil और ये पूरी तरह से, you know, it's giving a nice tandoor look. Does it even taste like that? I'm very, very curious to see. Can't believe I got this entire meal ready in just 30 minutes, from pulao to tandoori chicken to steamed vegetables, without using oil and very less water. अब cooking अगर इतना easy होगा, I am definitely having a party every weekend. अब weekdays पर तो office होता है. And joining me today for lunch and to clarify all my doubts about this futuristic and easy to use cookware is the AMC India CEO Suresh Venugopal. Let's welcome him. Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm very well and welcome to my kitchen.
Wow.
It's one of those rare days when I have cooked. None of my family members would agree to eat, so we've called you.
That's great. I mean, thank you so much. I've always seen a lot of videos of you, and I know that you're an expert, asking many questions to the celebrities. For a small change, I thought, let me start with you. How was your first feeling with the AMC product?
I had no idea cooking can be this easy. Because you always see these marketing gimmicks, right, where they say all of this. But now that I have tried and tested it for myself, I feel like, wow, this is so much easy and convenient. And what are the things that I can not cook in these utensils?
There is nothing which you cannot cook with this product,
Right.
firstly.
Yeah.
Now, unless, you're cooking something, which is not supposed to be cooked.
Okay. What are the dishes that I can really impress my guest with?
If you have any guests, who are vegetarians or non-vegetarians, especially the non-vegetarians, you can really show them the magic of cooking without oil, because the natural fat which oozes out when put the meat, and that is something people get amazed when they see this.
I would agree
And
to that.
If it is vegetarians,
Yeah.
just show them the steaming of vegetables
Yeah.
without water. People get amazed. We boil the eggs without water. People never believe it.
Really? You can?
Yes. And when you cut it
Yeah.
and you taste the egg, you don't
Yeah.
even need the salt. It has the natural flavor within that. So
Yeah.
these are the uniqueness of our products, which you will not find anywhere else. You just had the first experience with our world's smallest mobile oven, our
Yeah.
Navigeno, and you have cooked, I believe, the fantastic tandoori chicken. And it is also so handy that you can carry anywhere. That's why we call it as a mobile oven. It'll be very useful because you go for a lot of shootings, and you can carry, you can make your own meal.
Absolutely.
In a way, I feel that one of your Sunday brunches can be with AMC products.
Absolutely. Okay, so that's really nice to know. I would love for you to try some of the dishes that I have cooked today.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much.
Can't wait to try this chicken.
Yeah. This is amazing.
I had no idea I can cook so well. I don't know if it's your AMC dishes or my talent.
It's both.
Both, right? Okay. But this is
Can
really,
you believe
really
this
good.
is without oil?
Absolutely not. This is so good. Trying all the outside food, I feel like this actually feels very, very healthy and nutritious. But if you wish to know more about the AMC cookware, you can click on the link in description. Show your interest there, and one of the team members from AMC will actually visit your home, give you a demo, and once you're convinced, you can then make the purchase. Thank you so much, sir, for clarifying all the questions. And I think I'm going to be having most of my Sunday brunches at home now.
My absolute pleasure. All the very best to you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy cooking. And you don't have to worry about any cheat day.
Absolutely, yeah.